In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete recently visited locations in Waze. So grab your iPhone and let's do this together like you're cleaning things up right now. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone and give it a moment to fully load until you're on the main map screen and everything looks ready. Once Waze is open, tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen. This opens up your recent searches and destinations, including places you've recently driven to or looked up. Take a second here and look through the list because this is where Waze keeps your recently visited locations. Now scroll through until you find the destination you want to remove. This could be a place you no longer go to, somewhere you searched once by mistake, or just something you don't want showing up in your history anymore. When you find the location, don't tap it normally. Instead, press and hold on that recently visited location for a moment. After holding it down, you'll see an option appear at the bottom of the screen. This is where Waze gives you controls for that specific drive. Look for the option that says remove drive and tap on it. As soon as you do that, Waze will remove that location from your recent history. There's no long confirmation process and no extra steps here. Once you tap remove drive, the location disappears from the list right away. You won't see it suggested anymore when you tap the search bar, and it won't show up as a recent destination going forward. You can repeat this same process for any other recently visited locations you want to delete. Just scroll through the list, long press on another destination, and tap remove drive again. It works the same way every time, and you can clean up as many entries as you want in just a few seconds. This is especially useful if you share your phone with someone else, if you don't want certain locations showing up, or if your recent list is starting to get cluttered. Clearing out old drives makes searching faster and keeps Waze suggestions more relevant to where you actually go now. If you don't see the remove drive option right away, make sure you're holding the location long enough. A quick tap won't bring it up, so just press and hold for a second until the option appears at the bottom. Also keep in mind that this only removes the location from your recent drive history. It doesn't affect your saved places like home, work, or any locations you've manually saved. Those are managed separately in the saved section. If you ever drive to that location again in the future, it may reappear in your recent list, which is totally normal. You can always remove it again using the same steps if needed. Once you're done deleting the locations you don't want, you can tap back or just return to the main map screen. There's no need to restart the app or save anything manually. Everything updates instantly. So just to go over it one more time in a smooth flow, you open Waze, tap the search bar, find the recently visited location, long press on it, and tap remove drive at the bottom to delete it. And that's it. That's how you delete recently visited locations in Waze on your iPhone. It's quick, simple, and a really handy way to keep your navigation history clean and private.